Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning to you. This is the 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Bring you another quote to try and help kickstart your day and hear your words of wisdom. Put your positive pants on. Here we go. Another day ready for you to go and crush, to go and smash. Now, first of all, well done for getting out of bed. Some people on a daily, this is the struggle. But today is a brand new fresh start for you, me and everyone else. Get your positive pants on and look at every difficulty as a challenge to beat, any negativity to be beaten down, and that smile on your face. Put it on there, ready to say hello to whatever life has planned that's going to be thrown at you next.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.